Hi friends! Welcome back to Utuashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today's video is another pick your own with an interesting recipe from the Sunshine State. Did you know that the first orange trees were planted in St. Augustine, Florida in the mid-1500s by Spanish explorers? I have a question for you, Avi. Do you know what the state flower is in Florida?
Orange blossom.
Good job! Here we are at Dooley Groves in Ruskin, Florida.
We're here to pick oranges.
Oranges have thrived in Florida due to the state's subtropical temperatures, abundant rainfalls, plenty of sunshine, and unique, sandy soil. There are about 569,000 acres of citrus groves in Florida, with over 74 million citrus trees. Now that's a lot. Honeybell oranges, also known as Minneola Tangelos, is a hybrid fruit of tangerine and grapefruit. There are over 600 varieties of oranges in the world. Now this fruit is the size of my fist and has a mixture of sweet and sour flavor, but it's extremely juicy and really easy to peel. Now that's a win-win. Now with these fresh, juicy oranges, we are gonna make a couple of recipes. Our first recipe is a very unique recipe. It's a soft, fresh, zesty, refreshing Honeybell jamus. And the best part is, you can serve these deep-fried jamus drenched in warm syrup with your favorite ice cream. Now that sounds delicious. Okay, enough dreaming about the recipe. Let's actually make the recipe. First, let's cut and squeeze the Honeybell oranges to make some fresh juice. For this recipe, we are using Gulab Jamun Ready Mix. If you don't have this, check our description box for making your own Gulab Jamun mix at home. Add in a few tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice at a time and knead into a soft dough. We used little less than a half a cup of fresh orange juice. Don't add all the juice at once, just make sure to sprinkle a little bit at a time and knead the soft dough. Alternatively, if you don't have fresh oranges or orange juice, you can use 4 to 5 drops of orange extract and water to make dough. Make small balls with the dough and rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Heat oil in a pan, and once the oil is hot, deep fry the prepared gulab jamuns. In meantime, pour fresh orange juice and 2 tablespoons of sugar to a pan and bring it to a boil. If your orange juice isn't sweet enough, you can add a half a cup of sugar. These oranges are extremely sweet, so we're just adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. In about 5 minutes, the orange juice and sugar will melt and become sticky. Place fried jamuns on a wide bowl and slowly pour the hot orange syrup over the fried jamuns. For a fresh flavor, zest 1 Honeybell on the jamuns. Let the jamun soak in orange syrup for 8 hours and serve. Enjoy this scrumptious golden brown deep fried jamuns drenched in fresh zesty Honeybell orange syrup with an extremely sweet and mild sour taste. If you like our channel, please
like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye guys!